Unfortunately, this week I accidentally deleted some footage of me working on my camper, so I'm going to do a voiceover and kind of patch the story together for you. I hope you still enjoy it. I was at the camper in the morning and I installed a bunch of the floor mats that I got, and then I came back later in the day. Wow, it's like foggy or something. It's kind of getting dark out, but I'm back here and I'm gonna work on the floor a little bit more and see what I can do about that furnace. I'm gonna go grab the other furnace that I want to put in here and see what it looks like, check it out a little bit more. Hopefully that'll work. Before I bring in the new furnace, I have to disassemble and take out the big old furnace. Stripped screws calls for a crowbar. I embarrassingly tried to unscrew these pieces for a long time before realizing that they are actually already loose enough to fit over the end of the hose. Now that the old furnace is out, it just feels so much bigger in here. The flooring, you can see I've started the mats and I'm about to finish up the rest of it. Now I'm ready to install the new furnace. There were a few different reasons why I chose to do these floor mats. I wanted some extra warmth and insulation, and also something that would be easy to remove in case I did decide to use this camper as a fish house and wanted to access the holes under the floor. I plan to use rugs to make it cuter, but I just haven't found the right ones yet. So we got the floor done today. Next I want to put plywood on top of the bed and then make it cute. We've got the furnace hooked up, which is still propane, but it's going to look prettier and it doesn't take up half of the camper. And then I also am going to be putting a little countertop over here, but I don't know exactly how I'm going to do that yet or what I want it to look like, so I'm still brainstorming. The new propane furnace that I have is supposed to be okay to use inside. I do have ventilation in this fish house. I'll try to show better in the next video the little ventilation vents that are at the ceiling part of the fish house, and then I'm also getting a CO2 detector to put into the camper as well.